Do you want to know the secret of a happy and healthy fur baby? Well, let me share it with you. This is what we feed our fur baby Glow Up Edition. Every meal nilalagyan namin ng Perfect Fur Pure Wild Premium Omega Salmon Oil ang kanyang food. This salmon oil helps support healthy skin and shiny coat. Also for healthy gut na din and joints. And madali lang din siyang gamitin. Naglalagay lang kami ng 1 spoon sa kanyang food every day. Kaya kung gusto mo din mag-glow up, maging healthy and happy ang iyong fur baby, subukan mo na tong Perfect Fur Pure Wild Premium Omega Salmon Oil. Ayun lang, ciao! Pa-flash ko na lang yung store kung saan ko siya nabili. Yun lang.